In the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent, my dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here with a very tricky exercise, that is the order of cumulative adjectives. Dear viewers, students are mostly confused when there are more than one or two adjectives in a sentence and how to order them before a noun. I'll explain it in a very easy way to you, and I hope you would like it. But before starting my lecture, I request all of you to please press like button and share this video among others. If you have not subscribed it before, I request you to press subscribe button as well. I'll be thankful to you. Coming to my lecture, that is the order of cumulative adjectives. First of all, I will define the term cumulative. And for my Urdu medium students, I must explain it in the way के एडजेक्टिव्स जब सेंटेंस के अंदर आपको ये तो मालूम होगा कि व्हाट इज एन एडजेक्टिव. एडजेक्टिव इज अ वर्ड दैट क्वालिफाइज द नाउन, दैट डिस्क्राइब्स द नाउन. एडजेक्टिव को इसमें सिफ्त कहा जाता है जो किसी भी नाम की, किसी भी शख्स, जगह या चीज की अच्छाई या बुराई बयान करे. दैट इज कॉल्ड एन एडजेक्टिव. What is cumulative adjective? Cumulative adjectives are two or more adjectives that build upon each other to describe a noun. Mostly adjectives को कोई एक word define करता है या describe करता है. जब sentence के अंदर एक से ज़्यादा adjectives हों किसी एक नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए, उनको क्यूमुलेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स कहते हैं, दैट बिल्ड अपॉन ईच अदर टू डिस्क्राइब अ नाउन. However, they aren't randomly placed to modify the noun. आप उनको randomly प्लेस नहीं कर सकते सेंटेंस के अंदर किसी भी नाउन को डिफाइन करने के लिए, बिकॉज दे हैव अ स्पेसिफिक ऑर्डर. उनकी एक खास तरतीब होती है. वन एडजेक्टिव फॉलोज द अदर इन अ सीक्वेंस. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आप कोई एडजेक्टिव कहीं भी लगा दें उस सेंटेंस के अंदर उस नाउन को डिफाइन करने के लिए. दे हैव अ सीक्वेंस, दे हैव अ प्रॉपर ऑर्डर. यू कैन वॉच ऑन योर स्क्रीन. आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं, देयर इज एन ऑर्डर ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. Number 1 is quantity. Quantity shows number. Opinion. What is your opinion about that noun? Size. Then comes age. Then comes color. Shape. Origin. Material. Purpose. It makes 9 adjectives. 9 order of adjective comes in 9 orders like quantity, opinion, size, age, color, shape, origin, material, purpose. They will come in a same sequence in a sentence. In order to remember this formula, you must remember QOSAC, SOMP. QOSAC, SOMP. This order should be kept in mind. When you are asked to write in order the adjectives which describe some noun in a sentence, you must have this formula in your mind, QOSAC, SOMP. QOSAC, SOMP. Please memorize this formula in order to write the correct order of adjectives. To give the adjectives correct sequence or order in a sentence whenever you are required to do so. I hope this is clear to you. Quantity, opinion, size, age, color. QOSAC. Q stands for quantity, O opinion, S size, A age, C color. Then SOMP. S stands for shape, O origin, M material, P purpose. Coming to the next slide. Now I will explain them separately. Quantity. QOSAC. Number 1 comes quantity. It answers the questions how much or how many. For example, numbers. And the words like whole, half, a lot, several, many, few. There are so many which shows quantity. Whenever it shows the quantity of the noun, it will always come first in the order. Now, I have given an example to explain it. I am about to order 2 large pizzas. 2 large. Pizzas is a noun. It is described by 2 words, too large. आप ऐसे नहीं कह सकते I am about to order large 2 pizzas. आप although they too are adjectives, ये दोनों adjectives हैं, आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि एक adjective को आप कहीं भी place कर दें, 2 को बाद में ले आएं, ऐसा नहीं होगा. Number, whenever there is a number mentioned in a sentence, it will always come first in a sequence. I am about to order 2 large pizzas. Now 2 and large, there are 2 adjectives in a sentence. इस sentence के अंदर 2 इसमें सिफ्त हैं, 2 and large, जो qualify करते हैं, describe करते हैं noun को, that is pizzas. अब adjectives को आप order में आपने लिखना है. अगर order ऐसे आ जाए जिसमें quantity हो और दूसरा जो है वो कोई opinion हो, size हो, it will always come later. Now comes opinion. Opinion. How we feel about something like tasty, strong, ugly, costly, weak, happy, sad. This is your opinion, about something. You are eating something, you say that it is tasty. It is your opinion, After tasting the thing, जब आप कुछ चीज़ खा लेते हैं, तो उसके बाद आप अपना opinion बयान करते हैं कि ये tasty था या untasty था, strong था, weak था, ugly था, beautiful था, costly था, happy था, sad था. It is your opinion. For example, now see the example again. I have repeated the same sentence in order to make the difference clear to you. I ordered 2 tasty large pizzas. Now see, how many adjectives are there in a sentence? पहले तो आप देखिए कि इस sentence के अंदर कितने adjectives हैं जो pizzas noun को describe कर रहे हैं. 2 tasty large. अब आप देखें कि इस ऑर्डर में आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि I ordered large 2 tasty pizzas और I ordered large tasty 2 pizzas. आप ऐसे नहीं कह सकते. You have to write these adjectives, क्योंकि ये 3 adjectives हैं. इसको आप किसी तरह भी एडजस्ट नहीं कर सकते. इसको आपने हमेशा ऑर्डर में एडजस्ट करना है और ऑर्डर आपके माइंड में ऑलरेडी है. QOSAC. Quantity comes first, opinion, size, age and color. So according to this formula, quantity, number comes first. Tasty is your opinion, it comes second. And then large is definitely the size, it comes after your opinion. ये याद रखिए. QOSAC. Q quantity, O opinion, S साइज। अब इसमें ऑर्डर देखिए तीनों एडजेक्टिव्स का, सबसे पहले क्वांटिटी है, फिर ओपिनियन है आपका, और फिर साइज ऑफ द पिज्जाज है। वी विल अरेंज दीज इन दिस ऑर्डर। I hope it is clear to you. I have explained quantity, opinion, coming to the size of the noun. It is concerned with size of the object like large, big, small, little. For example, I ordered 2 tasty large pizzas. Now see, there are 3 adjectives in this sentence. इस सेंटेंस के अंदर 3 adjectives हैं। कौन कौन से? 2, tasty and large. आप ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते कि इसको randomly आप लिख लें। आप ऐसे नहीं कह सकते कि I ordered large tasty 2 pizzas. आप ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते I ordered tasty 2 large pizzas. There must be a proper order and sequence if you are given this sentence to write, to order the adjectives in a sentence. Then you must remember that formula, that is QOSAC, quantity, like number comes first. इसलिए आप 2 को सबसे पहले एडजस्ट करेंगे। उसके बाद tasty is your opinion. You have tasted the pizza and now it is your opinion tasty, so it comes after number. Large is the size. It shows the size of pizzas, so it comes later. The correct order is 2 tasty large and the noun, that is pizzas. I hope this is clear to you. QOSAC SOMP. After this size comes age, age of the noun. If age is also mentioned in a sentence, what will be the correct order of that? Age is concerned with the age of the object like old, new, middle-aged, young, recently built, etc., which shows the age of the object. There is an example sentence, a big old pickup. Now see, size big shows the size of the pickup, old shows the age of the pickup. In order, size comes first and age comes later. जब big और old 2 एडजेक्टिव्स हों तो फौरन अपने माइंड में रिकॉल करें कि बिग शोज साइज, तो ऑर्डर में साइज पहले आता है और एज बाद में आती है. सो यू हैव टू ऑर्डर द एडजेक्टिव्स लाइक अ बिग ओल्ड पिकअप. कमिंग टू द कलर of the object in order, what is the color of that object? For example, a big old red pickup. I've written the same sentence again. मैंने वही sentence दोबारा लिखा. उसमें order आपको दोबारा से क्लियर बताने के लिए कि there are 3 adjectives in this sentence. इस sentence के अंदर आपको 3 adjectives नजर आ रहे हैं. Big, ओल्ड, रेड, जो कि पिकअप इज अ नाउन, उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं. आप ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते रैंडमली कि अ रेड ओल्ड बिग पिकअप और एन ओल्ड बिग रेड पिकअप. द ऑर्डर विल बी रॉन्ग. Now see, now again recall your formula, that is QOSAC, quantity, opinion, size. Now big shows size. Order में size पहले आता है. Old is age, it comes later. Then red shows the color of an object, so it comes later on. After size and origin comes color. Coming to the origin of the object, a big old red German pickup. Now see, origin. ये कहाँ से बिलोंग करती है? अगर किसी ऑब्जेक्ट का ओरिजिन भी दिया है कि ये कहाँ से बिलोंग करती है, तो वो आएगा कलर के बाद. ऑर्डर में कलर के बाद है ओरिजिन. Now see, I have again written the same sentence. A big old red German pickup. अब German add हुआ which shows the origin of that noun. ये उस noun का origin बयान करे कि ये German pickup है. It belongs to Germany. Its origin is German. Now there are 4 adjectives in a sentence. इस sentence के अंदर आपके पास 4 adjectives हैं. Big, ओल्ड, रेड, जर्मन. अब आप अपने माइंड में रिकॉल करेंगे कि बिग शोज साइज. साइज कम्स फर्स्ट इन ऑर्डर. सबसे पहले ऑर्डर में अगर आप देखें तो साइज पहले है. ओल्ड इज एन एज, उसके बाद एज है. देन कम्स कलर. ऑर्डर में उसके बाद एज के बाद कलर है और कलर के बाद ओरिजिन है. So your correct order will be a big old red German pickup. Then comes material. Iron, metal, silk, cotton. A big old red German metal pickup. Now material is also shown here. What is the material? Now you must see there are 5 adjectives in one sentence. एक sentence के अंदर 5 adjectives हैं. उनका order आप देखिए, आप फौरन आपके माइंड में आ जाना चाहिए कि big shows the size. So in order size comes first. Then old shows its age. Age comes after size. Then comes color. So you have to write red. Then comes origin, you have to write German, and then material, that is metal. You need to remember this order, then it will not be difficult for you to arrange all these adjectives in a sequence. Now comes purpose. What is the purpose of that noun? A big old red German metal cargo pickup. Now see, how many adjectives are there in a sentence? There are 6 adjectives in a sentence. Big, old, red, German, metal, cargo. They all define one noun, that is pickup. In an order, size comes first, so we have written big. First of all, we have mentioned big. After size, in order, there is age, then color, so we have written red. After age, then origin, we have written German. Then in an order, material comes. After origin comes material, so we have written metal. Then comes cargo. Purpose. What is the purpose of that pickup? To transport goods from one place to another. It is a cargo pickup which is used for the purpose of transportation. I hope this is clear to you. In the end, I have written one long sentence. In order to make this sequence of adjectives or order of cumulative adjectives more clear to you, and the sentence is, there were 2 strange long old red round Italian metal cargo ships. There are so many adjectives in one sentence. आपको एक ही sentence के अंदर बहुत से adjectives मिलेंगे. 2 which shows quantity, strange which shows opinion, long which shows size. Now in order Q, O, S, Now see size, age, it is old. Then comes color, that is red. After color comes shape, that is round. Then origin, that is Italian. Then comes material, that is metal ship. Then comes purpose. What is the purpose of these ships? They are cargo ships. So this is the correct order of adjectives, cumulative adjectives, when there are more than one or two adjectives. How to order them, how to write them in a sequence, in a sentence. I will repeat that formula, that is QOSAC QOSAC इसको माइंड में रख लें, और जब भी आपको चाहे 6 एडजेक्टिव्स हों एक सेंटेंस के अंदर आपको दिए जाएं, आप इजीली इस फॉर्मूला के मुताबिक उनको अरेंज कर सकें. Now there is an exercise for you which is also given in the first year course, English textbook course. I hope it will be helpful for the students of first year. Now see, we wanted gray a metal table. For example, this sentence is given to you to write the correct order of adjectives. There are 2 adjectives in this sentence. आपने देखा कि viewers आपके सामने इस sentence के अंदर 2 adjectives हैं, एक gray है और एक metal है. अब आपके माइंड में फौरन आ जाना चाहिए कि ग्रे कलर को शो करता है, मेटल मटेरियल को शो कर रहा है कि टेबल का मटेरियल क्या है, टेबल किस चीज से बना हुआ है, मेटल का है या वुड का है. आप फौरन अपने माइंड में ले आए QOSACSOMP, जिसमें आपके कलर सीक्वेंस में कलर पहले आता है, मटेरियल बाद में आता है. So you will write this sentence, we wanted a grey metal table. आप ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते we wanted a metal grey table. You will always write we wanted a grey metal table, because in a sequence color comes first, material comes later. Similarly, in sentence number 2, they bought red a new car. There are 2 adjectives again in a sentence. One shows color, red color को शो करता है, और new age को शो कर रहा है कि कार की एज क्या है, वो पुरानी है या न्यू है. अगर आपको सीक्वेंस याद हो तो आप कहेंगे कि सीक्वेंस में एज पहले है और कलर बाद में है. They bought a new red car. एज पहले आएगी और कलर बाद में. नंबर 3, she went home and sat on dash. She went home and sat on comfortable her wooden old. There are 3 adjectives in this sentence: comfortable, her, wooden, old. Now see, she went home and sat on her comfortable old wooden bed. Comfortable is an opinion of a person. Old shows the age. Wooden shows material. So, comfortable old wooden bed. Sentence number 4. He bought woolen a Banu fabulous suit. So, there are 3 adjectives in this sentence. Woolen. Woolen shows material. कि सूट किस मटेरियल का है, वुलन का है. बनु कहां से बिलोंग करता है, इसका ओरिजिन क्या है, बनु शोज इट्स ओरिजिन. फैबुलस इज एन ओपिनियन. देखिए, फैबुलस इज द ओपिनियन ऑफ सम पर्सन अबाउट समथिंग, कि शानदार है, उम्दा है. सो इन एन ऑर्डर में अगर आप देखें तो ओपिनियन कम्स फर्स्ट. So you will write fabulous first because it is an opinion. He bought a fabulous. Opinion के बाद ऑर्डर में origin है, so you will write a fabulous banu. Then comes material, woolen suit. A fabulous banu woolen suit. Sentence number 5 is, they have Dutch black bicycles. There are two adjectives in a sentence, Dutch and black. अगर आप sequence में देखें, order of sequence में, that is QOSAC SOMP, उसमें color comes first, origin comes later on. So you have to mention color in an order first. They have black Dutch bicycles. Number 6, he wants some French delicious really cheese. Now see, there are three adjectives. Some shows quantity. देखिए, आपको पता है कि some shows quantity, French shows origin, delicious is your opinion. So in an order, you will write quantity will come first. He wants some really delicious. Really delicious. Delicious is your opinion. French is origin, which comes after opinion in an order. He wants some really delicious French cheese. Number 7, dash, young, energetic man walked into the room. Now young shows age. There are two adjectives in this sentence. इस sentence के अंदर दो adjectives हैं. Young age को show कर रहा है, energetic जो है वो shape को show करता है. यानी आपने किसी बंदे को देखा, आपको वो physically बहुत energetic नजर आ रहा है. It means it is the shape. It shows the shape. So age comes first, shape comes later in a sequence. Shape बाद में आती है, age पहले आती है. So you will write young first. A young energetic man walked into the room. आप नहीं कह सकते an energetic young man. A young energetic man walked into the room. Number 8, he has dash, that is a lot of old interesting. Now see, there are three adjectives in a sentence. A lot of, it shows number. Old shows age. Interesting shows ओपिनियन. ज़रा ये ओपिनियन है कि कोई बुक्स देखता है उसको इंटरेस्टिंग लगती है, ये उसको ओपिनियन है कि बुक्स आर इंटरेस्टिंग. सो ही हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ ओल्ड इंटरेस्टिंग बुक्स. आप उसको कैसे, अब आप देखें क्वांटिटी हमेशा सबसे पहले तो है ही क्वांटिटी. ऑर्डर ऑफ एडजेक्टिव में सबसे पहला जो है वो क्वांटिटी ही है. इसमें फिर आपने सबसे पहले क्वांटिटी को ही एडजस्ट करना है. दैट इज अ लॉट ऑफ. ही हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ. देन क्वांटिटी के बाद ऑर्डर में अगर आप देखें तो इंटरेस्टिंग है. योर ओपिनियन कम्स, देन कम्स द एज ऑफ बुक्स. सो द करेक्ट ऑर्डर इज ही हैज अ लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्टिंग ओल्ड बुक्स. Number 9, she bought dash. She bought dash. Plastic red new lunch box. Now see, there are three adjectives in a sentence. Plastic. Plastic किस चीज को शो कर रहा है? मटेरियल को. रेड किसको शो कर रहा है? कलर को. न्यू किसको शो कर रहा है? एज को. लंच इज ऑल्सो एन एडजेक्टिव, यू नो. लंच किसको शो कर रहा है? पर्पस, कि ये बॉक्स किस मकसद के लिए? लंच रखने के मकसद के लिए है. तो पर्पस कम्स इन द एंड. पर्पस एंड पे आएगा. तो अब आप इसको कैसे अरेंज करेंगे? शी बॉट अ न्यू, एज कम्स फर्स्ट, अ न्यू रेड, देन कलर, प्लास्टिक मटेरियल, लंच पर्पस. सबसे पहले एज है सीक्वेंस में, फिर कलर है, फिर मटेरियल है और फिर पर्पस है. नंबर 10, ही इज लुकिंग फॉर लेदर स्टाइलिश अ ब्लैक बैग. नाउ देयर आर थ्री एडजेक्टिव्स इन अ सेंटेंस. इस सेंटेंस के अंदर तीन एडजेक्टिव्स हैं. लेदर शोज मटेरियल, स्टाइलिश इज योर ओपिनियन, यू नो, Black shows color. Opinion comes first, इसीलिए आप stylish को पहले लिखेंगे. Then comes color, फिर आप black mention करेंगे. Then comes material, that is leather. So he is looking for a stylish black leather bag. Number 11, she dropped old beautiful the plate and it smashed. Now see, there are two adjectives only. इसमें दो ही adjectives हैं, old और beautiful. Old shows age, beautiful is your opinion definitely. तो sequence में opinion पहले आएगा, age बाद में, इसीलिए beautiful को आप पहले लिखेंगे, old को बाद में. So it would be like, she dropped the beautiful old plate and it smashed. I want silk green amazing dress. Now see, there are three adjectives here in a sentence. Silk, silk material को show कर रहा है, कपड़े का material क्या है. Green color को show करता है. Amazing is definitely your opinion. कि आपको ये अमेजिंग लगा, ये आपका ओपिनियन है, तो ओपिनियन हमेशा पहले आता है. आई वॉन्ट एन अमेजिंग, देन ऑर्डर में कलर आएगा, ग्रीन, सिल्क, फिर मटेरियल है. सो इट इज लाइक आई वॉन्ट एन अमेजिंग ग्रीन सिल्क ड्रेस. Number 13, she drank Italian black hot coffee. Now, Italian is origin, black is color, hot is your opinion definitely. So hot comes first, then comes color, then comes origin. It is like she drank hot black Italian coffee. Opinion, color, origin. He saw French writing old desk. Now see, there are three adjectives in a sentence. French तो origin को ही show करता है कि desk belongs to France. Writing purpose को show कर रहा है कि ये किस मकसद के लिए desk है, writing purpose के लिए है. Old shows its age, so he saw an old French writing desk. Age comes first, origin comes afterwards, and purpose comes in the end. Number 15, they stayed in little acute cottage. Little is a size. Cute is your opinion. It shows shape as well. Little here shows a shape. They stayed in a cute little cottage. Now see, here it must show size here. Little is a size and cute is your opinion. And in a sequence, opinion comes first, that they stayed in a cute. Then little, size. Little shows the size of the cottage. So correct order is a cute little cottage. Number 16, I visited ancient a spooky German castle. Now see, ancient. Ancient shows its age. Spooky shows it is your opinion that spooky, it is a spooky cottage, like scary, very scary, pertaining of, suggestive of ghosts or supernatural objects. So I visited ancient a spooky German castle. So ancient shows the age, spooky is your opinion, and German shows the origin. So in a sequence, your opinion comes first. I visited a spooky. Spooky is your opinion. Then comes its age, that is ancient. German is its origin. So correct order is a spooky ancient German cottage. Number 17, he has silver old beautiful ring. Silver is a material, old is age, beautiful is your opinion. So opinion comes first. He has a beautiful, then comes age, that is old, then comes material, that is silver ring. Number 18, we ate green Iranian round some apples. So there are 4 adjectives here. Green shows color, Iranian is its origin, round is shape, some shows quantity. अब आप देखिए कि सीक्वेंस में सबसे पहले क्वांटिटी है. सो क्वांटिटी के बाद शेप है, दैट इज राउंड, देन कम्स कलर ग्रीन, और फिर इसका ओरिजिन आएगा, दैट इज इरानियन. सो द करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ द सेंटेंस इज वी एट सम राउंड, नाउ सी शेप, सम क्वांटिटी, राउंड शेप, green color, Iranian origin, that is Iranian apples. Number 19, I need computer, comfortable, a desk. Now computer is the purpose. कौन सा किस पर्पस के लिए चाहिए? कंप्यूटर डेस्क चाहिए. तो पर्पस हमेशा एंड पे रहता है. कंफर्टेबल इज योर ओपिनियन, ये पहले आएगा. अब आपका सेंटेंस कैसे होगा? आई नीड अ कंफर्टेबल कंप्यूटर डेस्क. Number 20 is they went on holiday to small wooden a beautiful cabin. Now see, small, wooden is a material, small is a size, beautiful is opinion. Opinion always comes first, beautiful सबसे पहले आएगा. उसके बाद साइज आता है सीक्वेंस में, फिर उसके बाद स्मॉल आप मेंशन करेंगे, फिर आप मटेरियल मेंशन करेंगे, दैट इज वुडन. दे वेंट ऑन हॉलीडे टू अ ब्यूटीफुल स्मॉल वुडन केबिन. I hope with this exercise the concept is more clear to you. Exercise 2 in your books as well, you may see from your books as well, she was wearing. Now they have written 2 sentences and you have to choose the correct one. I've already written in correct order of adjectives, that is she was wearing beautiful red shoes. Now beautiful shows opinion. Opinion हमेशा order में पहले है, color बाद में है, इसलिए आपने लिखना है beautiful red shoes. Number 2, he is just a silly old man. Now see, silly is your opinion about some person and old is his age. Opinion comes first, age comes later. So correct order is he is just a silly old man. Number 3, she bought a powerful new computer. Powerful new computer. Powerful is your opinion, new is the age of computer. Number 4, they have just moved into a big modern house. Now, big is a size and modern is its age. So, size comes first, age comes later. Last night, I watched an interesting German film. There are 2 adjectives here. Interesting and German. Interesting is your opinion. Opinion always comes first. German is an origin of the film. So, origin comes later. Number 6. I need a new electronic dictionary. New. New is the age. Age of dictionary. So, it comes first. Age comes first. And purpose comes later. That is electronic. Number 7, my cellar is full of big black spiders. Big and black, size comes first and then color. She was carrying a beautiful new bag. Beautiful and new, your opinion comes first and age of the noun comes later. So beautiful new bag. I hate this awful wet weather. Awful and wet. Awful is your opinion, so it comes first and wet comes later. Wet here comes in material. Number 10, I like that small glass coffee table. Now there are 3 adjectives in this sentence, small, glass and coffee. Small shows size. So in order, अगर आप order देखें adjective का तो size पहले है. ग्लास इज मटीरियल, वो मटीरियल है जो उसके बाद है, और कॉफी टेबल, कॉफी पर्पस है जो एंड पे है. जो हमेशा ऑर्डर में एंड पे रहता है, पर्पस. सो आई लाइक दैट स्मॉल ग्लास कॉफी टेबल. There is a horrible red insect on your back. There are 3 adjectives. यहाँ भी आपके पास 3 adjectives हैं. Horrible, red, insect. Horrible is your opinion. Opinion always comes first. Then comes color in order. And there are 2 adjectives here. Horrible and red. Horrible is opinion and then comes color. SimCity is an exciting new computer game. Exciting भी और new भी. There are 2 adjectives here. Exciting is your opinion and new is age of that game. I ate delicious hot soup for lunch. Delicious, hot. Delicious is your opinion about the soup and hot shows its state. Hot shows the quality of material here. Hot soup. They live in a wonderful old wooden house. Wonderful old wooden. Wonderful is your opinion. Old is an age and wooden is material. They are a loud heavy metal band. Now loud. Loud is, loud shows quantity. Heavy shows its size and metal is material. So a loud heavy metal band. Now there is an exercise that you have to combine 2 sentences together to make one sentence. Now you can use who or that to put the clauses together. We sent a package to our relatives. They live in Karachi. They are 2 different sentences. You have to make it one with the help of, with the help of who or that. For example, we sent a package to our relatives who live in Karachi. जो के कराची में रहते हैं. The woman works as a cashier. She sits next to me in class. You can make it a one sentence like, the woman who sits next to me in class works as a cashier. Number 3, that's the book. Everyone is reading it. That's the book that everyone is reading. We bought some trees. Our neighbor told us they were on sale. We bought some trees that our neighbor told us were on sale. The car has a bad engine. I bought it last month. The car that I bought last month, जो कार मैंने last month खरीदी थी, has a bad engine. Number 6, I lived in an apartment building. It had a very slow elevator. You have to make it one like, I lived in an apartment building that had a very slow elevator. Number 7, you should see a doctor. He can help you with your back problems. You should see a doctor who can help you with your back problems. The tornado was extremely powerful. It hit Minnesota. So, the tornado that hit Minnesota was extremely powerful. We saw the woman at the grocery store. She lives next door to us. We saw the woman who lives next door to us at the grocery store. My wife returned the pants. They were too big for me. My wife returned the pants that were too big for me. This is how you have to solve this exercise.
Dear viewers, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.